Hey guys, it's Sam here again. I'm just doing a little video on um, oil change. Just doing an oil change on my 2008 Yaris. I've previously installed the quick valve from Fumoto, and so I just want to show you guys how much easier it is with that tool, with that lug adapter, I guess. So yeah, first things first. Let's just pop the hood. Okay, so the oil dipstick is here and the cap is here. So what I'll do is I'll just loosen that up a little bit so it flows better underneath. And next what we'll do is we'll lift up the car. Okay, so this is the underside of the Yaris, and oil filters right here, and the oil pan is right here. Now I've installed this quick valve last time I did an oil change, so all I have to do is move this lever and the oil will come straight out like there. So all you have to do is not blind myself. All I have to do is just open it up and the oil just pours right out. Now the advantage here is definitely just less mess. I mean, I've got a little bit of oil on my hand, but it's really because I fidgeted a little too much. Yeah, it's just a lot easier. It's got a more consistent stream, and you can tell that it's about done. And then that's all you have to do. Just get a rag, give this a quick wipe, and we're all set. All right. Now, unfortunately, the oil filter is still a bottom mount oil filter, so gotta grab the oil pan. Grab the oil pan and give this a little bit of a twist. Let the oil drain out. All right. Let that drain out. And let's grab the new filter. I decided to go with Bosch this time because after reading some articles about Fram filters where they break down the filter, yeah, they're pretty terrible. So, not buying Fram anymore. Remember to get some oil on the rubber gasket. And let's put it up and get it up on there. Okay. Now remember, you want to hand tighten it. Okay. Now that we got that out of the way, what we'll do is we'll bring the car back down, fill it from the top, check the dipstick. Just grab a funnel. Putting 5W30 in here. We are allowed to use 5W20 according to Toyota Bulletin, but I like the 5W30. Hey guys, just wrapping up that video on how to do an oil change on my 2008 Toyota Yaris with a Fumoto quick drain valve. You can buy them on Fumoto directly, linked in the description below, or you can also buy them on Amazon or any other assorted place. You have to look up which model thread size is appropriate for you, and there's a few different variations on the models, but overall they're just really useful. And yeah, I hope you like this video. Comment, share, subscribe, and check out some of my other ones. Peace.